What is the name of the red-billed bird in The Lion King? Timon, Pumbaa, Rafiki, Zazu. The correct answer is Zazu. What is the adult male goose called? Gander, drake, rooster, stag. The correct answer is gander. A pyromaniac is most likely to commit which crime? Theft, fraud, arson, vandalism. The correct answer is arson. Adolf Dassler founded which sports shoe brand? Nike, Puma, Adidas, Reebok. The correct answer is Adidas. In Disney's The Little Mermaid, who is Ariel's loyal fish friend? Flounder, Sebastian, Scuttle, Nemo. The correct answer is flounder. In which language do sentences that are questions begin with an upside-down question mark? Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese. The correct answer is Spanish. What is the capital city of San Marino, a small republic situated on the slopes of Mount Titano, on the Adriatic side of central Italy? San Marino, Rimini, Thimphu, Belmopan. The correct answer is San Marino. If a bartender is mixing up a classic Tom Collins cocktail, what liquor are they reaching for? Vodka, rum, tequila, gin. The correct answer is gin. Between the years 1961 and 1989, which city in Germany was physically divided into an east and a west side? Munich, Berlin, Frankfurt, Hamburg. The correct answer is Berlin. In the movie Cast Away, which company does Tom Hanks' character work for? UPS, DHL, FedEx, USPS. The correct answer is FedEx. What number does the Roman numeral D represent? 100, 500, 1000, 50. The correct answer is 500. What is the medical term for the kneecap? Tibia, patella, ulna, coccyx. The correct answer is patella. What term refers to a slower than normal heart rate? Tachycardia, arrhythmia, bradycardia, hypertension. The correct answer is bradycardia. Where can you find Mauna Loa, the largest volcano on Earth? Honshu, Japan. Sunda Strait, Indonesia. Hawaii, USA. Pompeii, Italy. The correct answer is Hawaii. Gin, a popular alcoholic beverage, is primarily flavored with which ingredient? Grapes, juniper berries, apples, barley. The correct answer is juniper berries.